In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Gmail account. Before we get started, a quick reminder: deleting your Gmail account is a serious step. It can affect how you sign in to other Google services, and you may lose important emails or access to accounts that use that email for login or recovery. So as you follow along, make sure you really want to remove it, and if you need anything from your inbox, download or forward those messages first. To begin, open your web browser and go to your Google account homepage. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Google account whose Gmail you want to delete. Take a moment to double-check that you're in the right account, especially if you use more than one. You can do this by looking at the profile picture or initial in the top right corner and confirming it matches the account you want to manage. Once you're on your Google account page, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, click or tap on Data and Privacy. This section is where Google stores all of your personal data controls, including options for managing or removing services like Gmail. When the Data and Privacy page opens, scroll down until you find the area labeled Your Data and Privacy Options. Take your time here, as there are quite a few settings. Within this section, you're looking for a link or button called More Options. Go ahead and select that. This expands additional controls that aren't shown by default, including the option to delete your account. After you click More Options, you'll see a choice labeled Delete Your Google Account. Select this option. At this stage, Google will usually ask you to sign in again just to confirm it's really you making this change. Enter your password if prompted. Now you'll see a detailed page explaining what will happen if you delete your Google account, including what data and services will be removed. Read this carefully. You may also see options to download your data before proceeding. Review any checkboxes that confirm you understand the consequences, and tick them once you've read them. When you're sure you're ready, follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the deletion. This may include one last confirmation button. After you confirm, your Gmail and associated Google account will be scheduled for deletion, and you'll no longer be able to use that email address for sending or receiving mail. And that's it. You've learned how to delete your Gmail account safely and confidently.